Villa K is a two-story private residence located in Meydan's Millenium Estates in Dubai, UAE. The villa spreads over 2 levels, revealing a double-height ceiling at the main entrance, the stairs lobby, and the main reception space. IAIA Studio used various marble slabs and finishes to accentuate the potential of natural stone in the home's interiors. Marble slabs have been carefully selected to match with one another, wrapping floors and walls, and sculpted to include patterns, textures, and lighting details. Each room is designed with a new storyline in mind. One that follows the functionality of the space as well as converse with the light, shape, and form of its architectural elements. On the ground floor, colder marble is used, covering the floor in a book-matched finish, and wrapping the walls with fluted marble that adds depth to the space. Here's a look at the plan. We chose to work with natural materials that tell a story. We wanted to work with what nature provides. The project used natural materials and managed residues by incorporating them into design elements within the furniture, the house's technical areas, and the parking. The parking area was covered with a patchwork of residual silver travertine marble. From material selection to furniture design, the project's focal point was nature as a key player. Colors, finishes, materials, and accessories reflected it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.